is a ticket boat kiddie ride from EMT. Let's go. How do you make the ride go? There we go. Get on it so kids don't go on it.
But the most wonderful thing about you is that I'm the only one. The wonderful thing about you.
I don't think the sound effect buttons work, I'm afraid. Sorry about the lighting in here, it's not that good to be honest. It's Halloween, it's all dark and stuff, so most of these rides are in Merkel games and stuff.
You are a famous race car, a real race car. I'm Lightning McQueen. Lightning McQueen! Yeah.
Yeah, not much to do on this ride to be honest, and yeah. I think none of the buttons work actually. Lightning McQueen's going, so I couldn't decide what rides to film. I didn't really want to film these rides, so I decided to film this, and obviously Jello Kittens as well. So yeah, that was the Ticket Boat kiddie ride from EMT.